George's Journey, a tale of perseverance and Kentucky Fried Chicken. In the heart of a small northern Canadian town, George, a humble 44-year-old, grappled with his reality. Stricken by poverty, the simple pleasures of life seemed distant. One such pleasure, the taste of Kentucky Fried Chicken, was nothing more than a tantalizing dream. The cruel sneers of his boss echoed in George's ears. His boss took sadistic pleasure in reminding George of his dire financial state. A constant, grating reminder of a life filled with struggles and devoid of the simple pleasures like the golden, crispy Kentucky Fried Chicken. But George was not one to surrender. His spirit, as resilient as the Canadian spruce, refused to bend. He clung on to hope, fueled by a burning desire to taste the succulent Kentucky Fried Chicken. His quaint house, albeit small and worn, was his sanctuary. It was here, in the solitude of his home, that George devised his plan, a plan to save, to hope, and to finally taste the legendary Kentucky Fried Chicken. Every day he would put aside a small amount from his meager earnings. Each penny carefully saved was a step closer to his dream of savoring the crispy, delectable Kentucky Fried Chicken. Weeks turned into months, and the savings slowly grew. The smell of the golden fried chicken wafted into his dreams, a sweet promise of what was to come. George, fueled by his desire, continued to save despite the hardships. His fantasies were filled with the images of the succulent Kentucky Fried Chicken, the crunchy exterior, the tender, juicy meat inside, and the secret blend of 11 herbs and spices. He dreamt of the day when he would finally be able to relish this masterpiece. The ridicule from his boss continued unabated. But George was not deterred. His focus remained unwavering, his eyes always on the golden prize. His dream of the Kentucky Fried Chicken remained untouched, unscathed. One day, after months of patience and perseverance, George had saved enough. His heart pounded with anticipation as he walked towards the local Kentucky Fried Chicken outlet. His dream was within reach. He could see it now, the bright red and white of the Kentucky Fried Chicken signage, a beacon of hope and fulfillment, a symbol of his struggle. His heart swelled with pride and excitement. The aroma of the fried chicken hit him even before he entered the outlet. His senses were overwhelmed by the tantalizing smell. A rush of emotion surged through him, making his heart race. He walked up to the counter, his savings clutched tightly in his hand. His voice trembled with anticipation as he placed his order. The Kentucky Fried Chicken was finally within his grasp. The moment he sat down with his meal, the world around him faded away. It was just him and the Kentucky Fried Chicken, the culmination of his dreams, his struggles, his perseverance. He took his first bite. The crunch echoed in his ears, the flavors exploded in his mouth. The taste was everything he had imagined and more. The Kentucky Fried Chicken was worth every bit of his struggle. The experience was surreal. He savored every bite, relished every flavor. The taste, the texture, the aroma. It was an experience he would never forget. The Kentucky Fried Chicken had made his dream come true. As he walked out of the outlet, he felt a sense of fulfillment. His dream had come true. His perseverance, his struggle had borne fruit. The taste of the Kentucky Fried Chicken still lingered on his tongue, a sweet reminder of his triumph. Back at work, the ridicule from his boss continued, but it no longer affected George. He had achieved his dream. The taste of victory was even sweeter than the Kentucky Fried Chicken he had savored. George's story is a testament to the power of dreams and perseverance. His journey, though filled with hardships, was rewarding. He showed that even the simplest pleasures, like enjoying a meal of Kentucky Fried Chicken, can be achieved with determination. This is the story of George, a story of perseverance, struggles, dreams, and Kentucky Fried Chicken, a testament to the power of dreams, the power to turn the impossible into possible. In the end, George's journey is an inspiration to us all. He shows that no dream is too small, no struggle too big. He teaches us that with perseverance, we can overcome hardships and achieve our dreams, just like he did with his dream of tasting Kentucky Fried Chicken. So, what's your dream? What's your Kentucky Fried Chicken? No matter how big or small, remember George. Remember his struggles, his perseverance, his victory, and know that you too can achieve your dream. In the small town of northern Canada, George, a 44-year-old man, found his Kentucky Fried Chicken. He found his dream. And in doing so, he taught us a powerful lesson. A lesson about perseverance, about dreams, and about achieving the seemingly impossible. In the end, George's dream was not just about tasting the Kentucky Fried Chicken. It was about proving that he was more than his struggle. His dream was about showing the world that no matter how difficult the journey, the destination can be achieved. George's story serves as a reminder that dreams are worth fighting for, that the journey is worth the struggle, that the taste of success, much like the Kentucky Fried Chicken, is worth every hardship. His story inspires us to dream, to strive, to persevere against all odds. His story encourages us to find our own Kentucky Fried Chicken, our own dream, and to never stop believing in ourselves, just like George never did. Through his struggle, George taught us a valuable lesson: the importance of dreaming, of hoping, of striving, and the sheer joy of achieving that dream, no matter how small it may seem. His dream of tasting the Kentucky Fried Chicken was not just a simple pleasure. It was a symbol of his journey. A journey marked by struggles, perseverance, and triumph. A journey that reminded us about the power of dreams. George's story is not just about him. It's about all of us. It's about our dreams, our struggles, our perseverance. And most importantly, it's about the joy of achieving our dreams, just like George did with his Kentucky Fried Chicken. So as we navigate through life, let's remember George, his struggles, his perseverance, his dream. Let's find our own Kentucky Fried Chicken, our own dream, and let's make it a reality, just like George did. George's journey is a testament to the human spirit, the spirit that dreams, that perseveres, that triumphs. His story is a reminder that no dream is too small, no struggle too hard, and that with determination, every dream, every Kentucky Fried Chicken can be achieved. In the end, George's journey was about more than just Kentucky Fried Chicken. It was about dreams, struggles, perseverance, and victory. It was about proving that no matter the odds, our dreams are worth fighting for. Just like George's dream of tasting the Kentucky Fried Chicken. Today, George is more than just a 44-year-old Canadian struggling with poverty. He is an inspiration, a symbol of perseverance and determination, and a testament to the fact that dreams, no matter how small, can become reality. Remember George. Remember his story. And remember that with perseverance, even the simplest pleasures, like enjoying a Kentucky Fried Chicken, can be achieved. No matter how small your dream may seem, remember George, and never stop dreaming.